Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a review on the new Smashbox Ablaze palette, and this is actually a little palette that has bronzers, blushes, and highlighters in here, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the very first demo so that way you can see the way that the colors look. And I've used all of these shades many times. I've had this little palette for a few weeks now. So in the palette there's two bronzers, and for this look I used the darkest one. And I just like the way that it looks. It's pretty warm, but it does look really nice. I just have to be a little light-handed with it because it can look like too much pretty quickly. So I do have to be a little bit careful, but I still love the bronzer in here. It's one of my favorites to use lately, and I reach for it all the time. And then for blush, I used the light pink shade. It has a little bit of shimmer in it. That's how it looks in the pan, but whenever you apply it you can barely see any of the shimmer. And then for the highlighter in here I used the pinkish one, and it has just a tiny bit of a pink hint to it. It's not too much, so it still works really good with my skin tone, and I feel like it's just one of those good pink highlighters that I can wear. There's some pink highlighters that I really can't wear because they look way too pink on me. And then for today's look, I used the light bronzer in here, which is my favorite one out of the two. And it's just so natural, you guys. It looks really nice on me. And both of these bronzers are really easy to blend. And I just like to apply it on the bronzing areas, which is like around my cheeks and then on my forehead. And just, you know, warm up my face, warm up the look, and it looks really nice. And then for today's blush, I used the hot pink one, which you can tell it's not too obvious. It's not too pink. You can build it up, make it like more intense, but I honestly just like kind of dust it on and it looks really pretty. So it is a really nice pink. And then I'm wearing the golden highlighter, which is my favorite one out of the two, and it's just so nice and bright. I feel like both of the highlighters have the same formula, so whenever I apply them they look kind of like a wet look. They're really nice. They're not extra powdery, and they're not like super chunky and glittery, which is something that I don't like I don't think anybody likes that in a highlighter because it can get everywhere all over your face and it just won't look good. And like I said, right now I'm wearing the gold one and it just looks so nice. It's very wearable. If you apply more, it can look more intense. See, I feel like the way that I'm looking at you right now, you can't tell too much, like it's there. It's just like a nice glow. But once I turn around and the light hits it with the ring light, it just looks so nice and intense. So I feel like it's very wearable, but if you want it to be more intense, if you love that glow, you can for sure make it. If you wet these highlighters, they look beautiful. So these are very nice. The formula is nice. At first I was a little disappointed in the palette because I felt like it was tiny. By the way, it does come with the mirror. I opened it and I was like, wait, this looks kind of tiny, and how is my brush gonna really fit in there? But honestly, it hasn't been a problem. It's worked out just fine. And I just feel like the formula of this palette, I do have other Smashbox palettes, and I feel like this one, there's something a little bit better, something a little bit different, and I really like it. I actually have a big blush and bronzer and highlighter palette from them from the holidays, and it's not as nice as this. This is really nice. I will have the price right here, but to me it's really worth it. Now, like I said, it's not very big, so don't expect it to be very big if you order it online, but it is worth it. Like, to me it has just the perfect amount of options for you to wear if you're not like a makeup junkie that has like all these products and you just want like one little palette for everything. I feel like this is a great palette for you to have your bronzer, your blush, and your highlights, even to go, because it also has that little mirror and it's just really nice. The quality of it is also nice, and the packaging is just very summery and pretty. So let me go ahead and show you the swatches to the bronzers. I actually showed these to you in my bronzer favorites video. That is the dark one and the light one. They're very soft. If you just get the chance to at least watch it at the store, you'll see how soft they are. They're really nice. And then I'll go ahead and swatch the light pink blush and the hot pink blush. Now, I know it looks super hot pink, but that's the one that I'm wearing right now, and trust me, it can look really nice. You just have to dust it on lightly. You don't have to, you know, apply so much. You don't have to make it that color. But if you wanted to, I guess you could. But like today, I'm wearing it and it looks really nice. The last two are the two highlighters. So this one is the pink one and then the gold one. That's the pink and that's the gold. So you can tell from the swatch that it's not like an intense pink. The other Smashbox one, the rose, the one, what is it? The Smashbox Envlada, they have the gold one and the gold one and the rose gold one, or the rosy pink one. It's not that pink. I feel like that one, I'll show you a picture right here. It's like super pink and intense. Like, I can't really wear it as a highlight because it looks kind of dark on me. But no, this one is more of a nice wearable pink, even on my skin tone, because I know that some pinks can look very, very dark, and yeah, they don't look nice. So yeah, that is pretty much everything that I wanted to say about the palette. I think it's a really nice, good quality little palette. Like I said, don't be surprised whenever you get it, because it does look like it would be a little bit bigger in the pictures, but once you get it, it's pretty small. I mean, it's like the size of my hand, but it's great quality inside, and it has, you know, those little options that you have in case you don't have like a ton of different products. You just want something small that gives you some options. I think this is a really nice palette. So yeah, guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.